In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use bill approval workflows in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by setting up the workflow itself so approvals happen automatically whenever a bill meets the conditions you define. First, sign into QuickBooks Online using an administrator account because workflow settings require admin-level access. Once you're in, click the lightning bolt icon or go directly to Workflow Automation. This is where QuickBooks lets you create rules that help control and standardize approval processes. From there, open the Templates tab and choose the Bill Multi-Condition Approval option. This template is designed specifically for bill approvals and is useful when you want certain bills reviewed before they can move forward. Next, configure the When This Happens section. This is where you decide which bills should trigger approval. You can base this on vendor names, business locations, or dollar amount thresholds, such as bills that go over a specific limit. The goal here is to make sure only the bills that need extra review are routed through approval, while routine bills can continue normally. After that, move to the Do This section and choose the team members or roles who should handle those approvals. Be intentional here because these are the people who will receive and review the requests. Also keep in mind that any bill left unreviewed for 30 days is automatically denied, so it's a good idea to assign approvers who regularly monitor their tasks. Once your conditions and approvers are in place, give the workflow a clear, descriptive name. That makes it much easier to recognize later, especially if you create multiple workflows for different approval scenarios. Then click Save and Enable to activate it. Now let's look at how the approval process works during day-to-day use. To create a bill, go to the Create menu or click the plus icon, then under Vendors, select Bill. Your team can continue entering and recording bills the same way they normally do. However, if a bill matches the threshold or conditions you set in the workflow, it won't just be saved like a standard bill. Instead, the user will see the option at the bottom labeled Save and Send for approval. This is the formal submission step that sends the bill into the approval process. Approvers can then review incoming requests through the Tasks menu or the Dashboard Task widget. From there, they can open the bill, review the details carefully, add notes if needed, and either approve or reject it directly in QuickBooks before any payment is released. That's all there is to it. Once set up, bill approval workflows can help you create stronger oversight, reduce errors, and keep spending decisions organized inside QuickBooks Online.